Okay. Check. Okay, I want to tell you something about fishing. My name is Obian Bartolome Chinedu. So from Achara, something like that. So I want to tell you something about fishing in our land, Uturu. So Uturu is blessed land, you know that. So fishing, a lot of people don't do fishing. They think that fishing is maybe a waste of time, or because of water is involved, and because of that they're afraid of being involved in maybe doing any business with water. But there is something important in water, there is something lucrative in water, which is fish. A lot of fishes are inside the sea, and also inside our waters. So almost every village in Uturu have water that you can eat the fish. So for me, I enjoy fishing. At least I can get a fish for my wife and my children to enjoy. We can do maybe fish pepper soup. So I advise everybody to like that occupation. Fishing is very, very important. Like me, I don't really involve myself in fishing anytime. I do it like when I get the time, but normally I get the time. Like when I want to catch a fish inside this stream, our stream. I use rubber net. This is the rubber net. I use rubber net. You see it this way. You see it can expand. Just like that. Rubber net. I use rubber net. Rubber net can catch a lot of big fish. It can catch big catfish, and also catch other fish like, yeah, like other fish that you know about. So it all depends. So I use rubber net to catch a lot of fish. Very soon I'm going to show you how I do catch the fish, but right now I want to tell you that in our land, Uturu, there are a lot of things you can do, but fishing is very, very lucrative, and it's one time event, like from May to maybe November or October. You can do fishing and have a lot of fish in your pots. Like this is what I have done with my rubber net. You can just prepare and have a net you can use in your fishing. Look at it right now. So this is Igbachara for our place. You get this Igbachara and you use it. This is O. Everybody can use it. And when you can see it very well. This is afford the net, you see. So you can use it, and when you just place it somewhere, fish will just enter it, and before you know it, you catch that fish. So I do a lot of it to prepare this type of net. To prepare this type of net, you got to take your time, but it doesn't really mean anything. Once you spend the time, you get a fish, and that's everything I want to tell you. But what I want to let you know is that Utu is blessed, and you need to be aware how to catch those fishes inside the streams, especially our place. Think about it. Go any village in our land, they have streams that you can eat the fish from. Just do something about it. Do the real business about fishing. We like that experience. I want to just share that experience. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's not easy to just share such a great idea. I hope I'm going to share another one. Maybe when I catch the fish, I'm going to show you how I use this net to catch the fish, and you're going to be happy. Or if you like joining me, you can join me, or you can just be a friend, and I will teach you how to catch fish inside the river. Okay, so it's not difficult. That's what I want to share, idea I want to share with you. Do fishing for a time, especially this in our place. When you do it, you enjoy rainy season in our land. Enjoy rainy season. That's what I want to share with you. Thank you very much. Listen again and watch my next video.